We're off to Auckland.
We've got 3 things to do. We're going to go find a waterfall. We've got a wedding to go to. I've never got ready for a wedding in the caravan before, so that'll be fun. And then the favourite is going to be climbing up a volcano in the harbour. It's an island.
Yeah, volcano. That's awesome. Got into Ardmore Airport last night, 10:30.
Yeah, so the kids are fascinated in all the planes here. This is a brilliant place to stop and park up. There's heaps of room.
Yep, only $6 a night thanks to the old wings on the caravan up there.
Flags! Let's go find a waterfall.
We're at Hunua Falls.
Got heaps of walks here. Wow.
What are you doing?
What am I doing? I'm disinfecting Zaylee's shoes to protect our coldy trees. There you go, love. We're done.
So we've discovered a little bit of a treasure here. You can camp at this location and there's heaps of walks.
Heaps. Like, you'd need to stay a couple of days, for sure, like a week,
Yeah.
to get them all done. So I've learnt something. The Auckland's water supply is up in here, so there's a few reservoirs up here. So you can't drive in, you kind of have to park your car and then walk. But a huge amount to do here.
So I think maybe another trip back here for a whole weekend one time to do these walks.
Oh, absolutely. And we're really close to Miranda here too, so you could combine it with a trip down to Thames Way as well.
Look at that. Spring punga.
It's a koru. Isn't it, Brixie? What's a koru? Can you draw the shape with your finger?
This is one of New Zealand's must-see waterfalls. It's 30 metres high. And it's called Hunua Falls. I'll open there.
So yeah, there we go. Another beautiful waterfall.
Yeah, I'm not going to swim in this one.
Oh.
It specifically says don't swim here, so...
Water's a
because
nice
it's
green.
very, very cold. It's actually Auckland's water supply, I think.
Yummy. Yeah. But well worth a look.
Well worth a look. It's on the must-see list, so... And it's actually only a few minutes from the car park.
Or you can walk the 20-minute loop track like we did, just for a bit of nature, a bit of exercise, all fun and games. So snacks, and then off to the wedding?
Maybe find something else to do first.
No.
The waterfall is really high. I can feel the spray from here.
Can't take her anywhere. Not sure where we're going now. Mary spotted a track and the old mountain goat couldn't resist. Yeah, she can't help herself, can she? Has to get closer. Always closer. Pretty full on just here, I tell you. Close enough for you, Mary?
Yeah. Yeah, this is close enough. My legs are really cold. Great.
And for a bunch of vanners, we scrub up okay?
That's the wedding done and dusted.
Awesome!
Join us next time when we climb Auckland's newest volcano, Rangitoto Island. Do us a favour, like our videos and subscribe to our channel. Have a good one, Banning.